mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
Hey guys, so it's still day one. We arrived here today morning so we could finally check into our hotel, and now we're going to the Eiffel Tower and the Arc de Triomphe. Yeah, that's me trying to add that pronunciation. We're kind of just winging it today because we're also kind of tired because we took a bus here. The ride was long, but now we're here and you guys have seen a bit around. We're at Galerie Lafayette. And the rooftop views were beautiful, immaculate, and it's free of charge, so you guys can go up there for free and get killer views. Okay guys, we are in the bus now en route towards Eiffel Tower. It was a struggle because we didn't know where the buses were, but we're going to the Eiffel Tower and I'm excited. My inner child is excited. Also, how on theme, on brand am I with Barbie? Like, look at them nails. Look at the top. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. Guys, we are at the Eiffel Tower and it's sparkling. It's sparkling, but it has also started to rain and we are not fully equipped, but it is beautiful, guys. I can't describe the feeling you get when you see it sparkle. I kind of already miss being here and I just got here. Good morning, guys. Hi, guys. Currently enjoying a pain au chocolat. And this is breakfast. It's so good, they're flaky. We had one yesterday. It was a bit better than this one, but still quite delicious. We are going to the PSG Stadium today. For now, we're enjoying breakfast. Okay guys, it's time to try a macaron. I'm so excited for this one. This is the pistachio flavor. So I've just had my first macaroon. It was so delicious. Also, guys, look at me with my little tech. I know in the other videos sometimes it was a bit windy, so I said let me bring out a mic. And yeah, I think it's too big to clip on, so I'll just hold it. Now I look like a reporter reporting live from Paris. But anyway, the macaroon was delicious. The outside texture was different than what I thought. I used to think it's like a meringue. I was expecting something crunchier, but it was quite delicious. And I had a pistachio flavored one, and Tim had a chocolate flavored one, and we would both agree that we can't complain. Like, it was really good. However, with my sensitive teeth, I would have to limit myself to only one macaroon at a time. But I'll definitely have another one before leaving Paris. We're at the train station right now. I would say if you're trying to get around on a budget or just get around and get to see the city at the same time, using the metro and the bus, trams is the best way to go. We just bought like individual tickets because it's cheaper than buying like a 5-day ticket in the long run because you don't use the train that much. But yeah, I'll keep updating you guys now onto the stadium. Guys, we are now at Parc des Princes, and if you don't know what that is, get your football knowledge on. This is the PSG Stadium. Check it out. I love this place, guys. We're sitting at the VIP area right now, and it seems to be worth it. I'll show you guys around in a bit. If you've been following my Instagram, you know we love to visit stadiums. In Netherlands, it was the Ajax Stadium. In Barcelona, obviously, we went to Camp Nou, which was, I think, for now, still my top stadium. However, I don't know. Each of them had their different things. But anyway, let me show you guys around the PSG Stadium. Now we're on the lower deck, and I'm pretty sure we're about to see some changing rooms. Okay guys, it's game time. Let's go.
Other than actually seeing physical Paris stores, I haven't seen any.
We are in line at a restaurant that we're trying tonight, and it's crazy. If you don't make reservations here, you're probably gonna make a line for so long. We got lucky. We're now the next one, so hopefully. Oh, 2 people just left. Okay, so we're at the restaurant now, and the seating arrangements are a bit scary because we're literally so close to the other table. It's like legit those movie scenes that you see where people are so close. So I'm so happy I have the mic because I can basically whisper. But it's so bad, guys. Anyway, we're about to eat. We're going classic French. I just got back to the hotel, and y'all, the food was delicious. First of all, a little update. After the stadium, I came straight back to the hotel because I had to pee, and somehow I can't find these public toilets here in Paris, and they're supposedly everywhere, and restaurants are very stingy about using the bathrooms. There's like only one yesterday we found that we could use their bathroom for free. The others you have to be a customer, so just keep that in mind if you're ever in Paris. But yeah, it was really nice, guys. The stadium was beautiful. I think the surprise factor of how cool stadiums can be starts to reduce after you visit a few stadiums, but nevertheless it was still quite nice. It was like a self-guided tour, and in terms of like trophies, they're not as decorated as the other clubs that I've visited before. Still a lot of trophies to see, but not like crazy amounts. After that, I came back to the hotel really quickly and changed just like my top, and we went to a very affordable French restaurant. You saw what we ate. It was really delicious. I think overall the rating, we agreed that it was like about 8.8 to 9 out of 10, like for the ambience, for the food especially. The service was great, so I have no complaints. And now I'm just gonna chill a bit. Tomorrow we're headed out somewhere special. Guess some magical place. So yeah, just you can pause and write down in the comments what you think, where that is. I'm pretty sure that's giving you the biggest hint you can think of. Maybe I'll let you guys sweat a bit. I'll let you guys see where we're going until tomorrow. So yeah, we have to get some rest for tomorrow. We might leave again just to go to the Eiffel Tower again because it was so magical yesterday and we just love to see that. But then coming back was such a hustle, guys. The stress of getting a bus. The bus kept getting delayed. I think we were waiting for the bus and we kept on going to different stations for about close to 2 hours actually. It was actually crazy. So I don't know if that was like yesterday problem or it happens a lot during the night. It was not fun. So worst case scenario, just always go to the metro because there you'll always find a train running. It's just that the metro was a bit farther away, so we opted for the bus. Plus when I'm new in a city, I like to travel by bus just so I can also see around instead of the metro where you're underground and you're not getting to see any sides. But anyway, yeah guys, I'm super full, carrying a massive food baby right now, so I'll rest up and then I'll catch up with you guys either tomorrow or later on. But I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far, and if you are, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, honey. Subscribe. But anyway, yeah, we'll catch up later. Oh yeah, before I go, this was the little outfit of the night. So this skirt I was wearing at the stadium as well. I just felt, let me carry the same one. Let me just continue wearing it. But yeah, because also I wasn't sure if it's gonna be cold or hot, plus I needed something airy for dinner. You know how it is. But yeah, so it's this cute little wrap skirt and this nice orange top. Very cute, very nice. And yeah, that was the outfit, guys. That's it, guys, for part 1 of the Paris vlog series. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed it by liking this video and also sharing your thoughts in the comment section. Also, please do subscribe so that you don't miss out on part 2 and any other upcoming videos. Until next time, guys, bye.